Get a shot of all the bikes parked here together. Looking good.
No, I got stopped by the cops.
Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got both of my bikes. We got the R1M and the M1000RR. You guys might be asking why. This is why. Mr. Fastlane D. Oh, matching and everything. He's going to be riding my R1M. I'm going to be riding the M1000RR. And we're going on a little fun group ride with the squad. Mr. Ride Along over there on the H2. Start her up. It's not a cold start because I already rode it here, but still not bad. Nah, she's warm. The red line is already high up. You got no gloves? That happens. I've been there. GP shift. One of my favorite features, the hold when you're on an uphill. It's gonna be so weird seeing someone ride my bike. I'm very picky with who I let ride my bike. The H2 and the V4R, nobody rides these bikes. These are kind of like my babies, unless it's like a tech that did something specific and he want to like test it out. That's fine, but not actually like go on a full-on ride. Those are like my two babies, my dream bikes. So nobody rides them, and they're also very, very expensive. But Mr. Fastlane D, he's been on a lot of bikes. He has an R1M, so I trust him with my bike. The only thing is that, as I told you guys, the sensor on this bike is off, so he has to shift manually, which shouldn't be a big deal, but you know, just informed him about that. Since last time he rode my Aprilia, so this time I was like, ride the R1M. I'm riding the M1000. The Fireblade doesn't have a plate yet because, you know, I bought it from the dealership and they haven't sent the plate yet, so you never realize how many bikers we are when we're parked because their bikes are so small. But when we're riding, you're like, oh, okay, we're a decent group. Oh, that one sounds good. It's gonna be everything. We're gonna do a little freeways, some streets, and then we're going by the beach. And then there's supposed to be an air show by the beach right now, so we'll see what's going on with that. But usually it's super packed over there, and there's a lot of cops, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out what's going on there. Ooh, look at that STO. Yeah, we might not stop by the beach. We might just kind of like go around. I was like, that sounds familiar. It's my bike. Yeah, and also I was telling you guys how like my windscreen was kind of like messed up. I put on the light smoke one. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if you saw it in the start of the video, but the carbon one looks a little bit obviously cooler because it's in your face, but this one fits better. And I don't know, the light smoke is kind of cool because you can still see all the carbon bits that I have under. There are a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count, there's no way. I'm so getting a ticket with this exhaust. I will not be surprised. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people. Oh yeah, someone's definitely getting pulled over. See these pops and crackles? Cops don't like that. I'll just like clutch in. Hey, they're mobbing. I was like, what the? It goes into neutral pretty often when I'm going from second to first. And by the way, sorry for not talking. I'm just kind of like enjoying the vibes and the ride with the boys. Oh, that H2 sounds so good. Where the hell did that airplane go? That was so cool. Oh my god. This is where everyone is parked for the air show. Oh my god, it's right there! They're writing tickets to everyone. What is that? I thought it was a bicycle for a sec. god, the amount of people here. We're all checked out. Gee. Oh my god, what is that? I think we'll just end the video somewhere over here because we're trying to park somewhere and just kind of kick it and enjoy the show. Yeah, the cops are right there and they're like staring at us, so I was like, I ain't stopping there, man. So yeah, we'll just end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a very different random video. And the man, Fastlane D, is here too, riding my R1M. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you so much for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe. Peace out and ride safe. My last 10 seconds of filming, we just stopped right here. So I figured just get a shot of all the bikes parked here together. Looking good. But yeah, we're just gonna watch the air show. There's airplanes everywhere doing stuff, so
No, I got stopped by the cops.
Oh my, see?
Cops over there?
That's why I said, bro, the cops are right there. They were staring at us. I was like, don't stop there.
Bro,
What'd they say?
And I made a bullshit excuse. I'm like, sorry, man, I had to piss. It's like, your boys left. Go. I'm like, all right, bet.
Good thing you didn't get a ticket. That's why I was like, nah, I ain't staying.